What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I'm an operator, moderator, / co-founder, owner of Option Goats Trading LLC. That's right. We're based out of the state of Wisconsin. We do all of our taxes. We're based at the Secretary of State. We're an actual LLC. What we do is we have a Discord server that basically shares trade ideas from amongst others, use other third-party trading spot information, make trades, do some TA, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. This is the swing recap for the week March 14th and March 21st. I'm going to do another double week video, and then we're going to get back on track with doing the one video per week thing. This past couple of weeks, or the 2 weeks that I'm going to go over, have been really good. I've been really trying out a new feature that we have. Well, it's not new, but it's one that I've been using a lot. It's a cheap leads section on through Analytics. What that basically is, high volume on a small option being under 20 bucks or something like that, and then seeing what happens. So let's kind of look at that, shall we? So we had opened an HYG. Let's do this. I'm just gonna pull up. Let's see, go out here. Perfect. Okay. So let's do this. If we do this and okay, then we have that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's go HYG. So here was HYG. It was coming down. It was coming down. What we did was we bought this was a cheap, we bought a 79 put, which was down here for 318 max loss $23. When we were in the position, we were up 26% on HYG. We ended up losing on the deal, but again, it was a cheap lead, 23 bucks, no harm done. Now we opened an XLF put that week, and it was a 32 put. It was a little bit cheaper. I just felt like spending a little bit more money. It was when we were down here, and I bought a 36 put as well on XLF. That one we lost on as well. It was a 32 put. Market went for a big run when we bottomed out, which kind of captured a lot of bears, including myself. So it came down like this, went back up. Boom. It crushed this level, It's back up at this level, which is kind of crazy to see. So we lost on the $38. Now, looking at the Apple call, this was the one from the cheap leads that we did make money on. And what we did was, this was basically an indirect hedge because we had so many puts, or excuse me, we were so short on a lot of other things. We went for one that might skyrocket, and Apple was one of those good examples. So this one we bought on a Monday. It was a 325 expiration. We spent $15. Okay. On the call, when we were in the Apple call, we were up 26%. Then we're up 173%, 220, 239, and 760 topped out at 1,006%, and we sold it for 930% on the play, which meant 136 bucks out of 15 bucks. So was that a good play? Yes. Does it happen all the time? No. Is that how cheap these work? Yes. You're going to lose some, you're going to win some. You got to make sure that the ones that you win, or the ones that can win more, you got to let them run. Had I taken this out, I would have only covered the losses on the other puts, but I held it and actually recovered and basically hedged my whole position. And in that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly how I lost some and won some and stayed the same, when knowing I was short on a lot of my positions. So really happy with that play. Okay, and then we opened a Futu. So we still have one more spread right now on Futu. We went with a 25.5, 24.5 put, and we spent $2 on it. Very, very small play. It came down. It's going up right now. So this is most likely going to be lost. Again, $2. Not trying to break the bank there. And then on Friday, we opened up the same thing again for a Futu spread, since the other one from the previous week expired. And we also bought a Baba put debit spread, which was basically right here, 95, 100. It's chilling right up here at this 172 level. We paid $160, max profit 340. I think we're down about 40%, but we still have some time until May. I think Baba's going to be coming down, so I might be averaging down on the position. We will see. Here's our spread right here, the 95 on 100 right there. So we'll definitely be watching Baba. What we're looking on Baba is in a pretty strong downtrend. So anytime it's up like this, I'm looking to sell some call spreads, maybe buy some put spreads, average down on some put spreads, something along that line. So pretty happy with the Apple call, pretty happy with the Baba. We also got our dividends See, so 45 bucks plus 119. Do the math. What is that? 165 bucks that we made there. Super happy on that. And we did make a BABA spread that was after that. In other news, we are also looking at Sheep. Sheep made a pop recently, massive pop that was something, or excuse me, a pop like this right here. And then right now we're watching it sit on the 25 support and seeing what exactly is going to happen in the coming weeks. So let's look at some of the profits that we had for the previous, the weeks between the 14th and 21st. Let's go back here. Let's go 14, 21st. 14. Here we go. Post. Nice job messing with SPX, making money on Tesla as well. 185 on the day on that Tesla play. Nice job. Made another Tesla play, 340 bucks. He made levels in our Discord as well, so that was super helpful. AES killing it, 11% up on the week. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Love to see it. Big thank you to Tamaji for such a gold swing play on that Apple call. You're welcome, Cuzzy. Glad you made some money on that one, my man. And that made his board very. Let's take a look what we had here. This was the Apple call spread that we had. We had a buddy who also took the same play. He took that Apple call that I was talking about, and he ended up being plus 1360 on the play. So super happy with those. Super happy with those plays that they took. And I think that is it for the weeks between the two. So just a little recap, guys. Let's take a look at the Discord. I want to make sure I point out in our traders section, we have a small account ideas. And this is where I share these plays, kind of where I'm getting this. So again, high volume, cheap options, buying them in bulk or maybe one or two, and then seeing where it goes from there. I've been doing a lot more of that. I'm still selling premium on Fridays. It's because I really want to see what else is going on with the cheapers, especially since with the volatility going up in the past weeks. With the Ukraine war, the rates going up, housing is now a question. You Googled housing bubble. The Federal Reserve of Dallas is saying that there's signs of a housing bubble. So that's one thing that we're going to be watching, especially with the market. So other than that, guys, that's about it for the swing recap for the weeks of March 14th and March 21st. Let me just make sure I didn't put long ideas here. Nope, just looks like we bought more sheep. Again, we added another 100 bucks. We're actually greening up the position now that we've averaged down so many times. The next pop, well, next pop is the one we're going to be looking for. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you go to our website, you go down to where it says join OG Prime, membership, use the code 30. That will give you half off for 30 months. Excuse me, half off for 3 months. Instead of the $60 per month, you'll be paying $30 per month. Really like giving out discounts just because, again, all we really are is the Discord. I share my ideas in the mod section. There's trade ideas. The member workshop is done by the members. We give you the ERs. Excuse me, don't trade ERs, but I do ER calendars. Excuse me. And then as far as the bot goes, you can use the bot for all kinds of things, whether it's social spy kinds of things, scalping bot, not huge scalper, stock breakouts on the hourly, on the daily. You can use this bot to kind of see what exactly stock's going to do, and then go back to the market and see what the market's going to do and make it educated. Where you can make money on what kind of method, right? But yeah, TradeEdX is our third bot provider. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Make sure you check out the other recap of this swing recaps. This is your swing recap for the week of March 14th, March 21st. Thank you guys for watching this video. We'll catch you next time. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.